On the streets of Paterson, New Jersey's third largest city, the effort continues to at least lessen the impact of a new wave of COVID-19 infections. But Mayor Andre Saya says scenes like this do not help.
Now we're starting to see something very eerie.
Bars, nightclubs, and restaurants routinely packed with people. This was the scene at one of several Paterson establishments over the weekend, as if there is no pandemic, as if infection rates are not rising.
Last week, we had about 20 cases on average. Now, we're in the 40s. And as far as our infection rate is concerned, for those who are tested through our community-wide initiative, we have a mobile unit. Now we have a 3.4% positivity rate.
That said, Paterson's 3.4% infection rate is lower than Newark's citywide rate of 11.2%, and definitely lower than the 25% infection rate in Newark's bustling Ironbound section. But complacency remains the enemy of progress against the pandemic, which explains Mayor Saya's new executive order, signed Wednesday, which forces bars, nightclubs, and restaurants to close at midnight.
200, 300 people inside a place. You know how many cases of COVID-19 could come out of there?
Okay. So, nightclubs, bars, restaurants, shutting them down does not address the entire situation. We didn't know this crowd was going to be here waiting overnight outside a computer store. They're all here for a very high-end graphic card. People getting on with their lives even in the midst of a pandemic. We're live in Paterson. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.